What's the meaning of charismatically? Charismatically. Charismatically.
Charismatically. Charismatically. The term charismatically refers to the way an individual presents themselves with a magnetic and compelling personality. When someone behaves charismatically, they possess qualities that draw people towards them and give them the ability to influence others with their ideas and actions. Charismatic individuals often display confidence, charm, and persuasive communication skills, which can inspire others to follow their lead. The overall result of behaving charismatically is that it can enhance an individual's personal brand or image, as well as help them achieve success in social, professional, or political situations.